How to crop a picture on PC/laptop. Let's say you found a picture of a public park that you really like, but you want to remove a certain part, like a tree or some unwanted background. Here's what you need to do. First, copy the image or save it to your computer. Either way works, but copying is usually faster. Next, open Microsoft Word. Just type Word in your search bar and open it up. Once Word is open, paste the image directly onto the document. If you saved the image instead, go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and select your image from your computer. Now, click on the picture. You'll see a new tab appear at the top called Picture Format. Go ahead and click on that. After that, click on Crop. You'll see black handles appear around the image. Simply drag those handles to remove the parts you don't want. For example, you can crop out a tree or reduce the sky area. Just adjust it however you like. Once you're happy with the crop, just click anywhere outside the image and it will be applied instantly. If you want to save it, go to the bottom left corner and click on File. Then click on Export. You'll see multiple options like PDF, PDF with comments, and ODT. Select your preferred format and the file will be downloaded to your Downloads folder. And that's it. Now you know how to crop a picture on a PC easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.